What's good, YouTube? This is going to be a quick video for anyone that needs it on how to factory lace your Jordan 1s. First thing, if they're laced like this, unlace everything up here. Just leave this bottom lace here. So let me do that now. Alright, so once you unlace it, it should look something like this, only in the first hole. So what you want to do from here is take these two laces, put it behind your finger like this, wrap it around one time, take this, cross it over, come under the first lace and pull. Now you want to pull it soft and make a big loop like this, because what you have to do next is take this side right here and put it inside this knot. So let's put it in the knot, and pull the aglets. And now you want to make these two bows the same size. So just pull on this side, and once they're the same size, you want to pull both of them to make sure it's a little tight. You don't want it to be too loose. And there you have it. So what you would do is you would put the laces behind the tongue like this, tuck it in, and there you have it, factory laced Air Jordan 1s. Now you can take these back to the store, and they'll be dead stock, or they'll see it as dead stock. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment if it was helpful, and subscribe for more videos.